Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna install a Ktuned muffler on my Civic because the Civic is way too loud. That straight pipe gotta go. So I'm gonna start recording. Hold on, let me put my seatbelt on. Oh shit! So today we're gonna go to my boy's new shop and he's gonna weld it on, I guess. So I'll meet you guys over there.
That shit is hard, nigga. Damn. I bet you the software's hands are here. I did. Maybe to my brother's nigga. Yeah, bro. His hands are nasty cold.
You know why, right?
You know how, man.
I say you know why, right? Pa que se lo meten. Yo, can you open this up real quick? I can't open it with the thing.
Yeah, you didn't bring the extension, did you?
See this Ktuned, papi. No. Wepa. Let me see this. Hold on.
Hey, yo!
No more straight pipe.
We don't need that anymore. We just needed this.
A sticker too? No, I'm gonna do that for the freaking livery, you know?
Put it right here, right?
Watch out, some moto.
Oh, you look.
Yeah. Make it turn it on.
Leave it just like that.
Turn it on, right?
Whoa.
Is it in gear?
Turn it on.
No,
Let me go to the other side.
it's not in gear.
Put it in gear.
Yo, turn it on. You can see how it sounds. It ain't going up anymore.
Hold that.
Oh, okay.
Déjalo así. Hey,
I need to.
I don't want anything like a type. Hold up.
Fuck that nigga said.
Dámelo.
He said go real quick. It's already recording.
Alright, espérate now. Oh. Turn it back on. What's it nice?
It's from Japan!
Give it gas. Give it gas.
How much do people like that shit?
Yo, then you see the difference right there in the video. Perfect.
Alright, it's over, right?
It's over. That's it. I got it.
I told you, right?
Right here,
Exactly, I told you.
So don't we just take off the clamp?
That's what I said. But if you want to use that pipe, you have to cut the pipe and then weld that to it. Mira.
Yo, they
Careful.
got a rear type R strut bar. I mean bumper support.
Te lo vendo.
Huh? Look at it. Come on.
Te lo vendo. $2,000 and it's yours.
And we took it off from the top.
It's certified.
This kid got cheeks, but I ain't even gonna lie.
We can just shove it in. The only problem is, I need to leave it loaded.
That shit needs to go way more back.
Yeah, but welding over the bottom is hard.
Bullshit. Nah, fuck that.
Oh, we're cutting this.
Bro, this has to go allá adentro. Diablo.
Right there, that good?
Nah, more, nigga.
More?
What you mean? That shit
I think it
like
was good there, no?
Oh, you smoking dick?
How much more do you want it in?
I want this adentro.
Inch more.
You want this inside?
Yeah, the whole shit. What the fuck? Shit's looking like my dick. Oh shit.
Why are you recording stupid things?
They're stupid people. This is what people think is amusing. Looking at buffoons trying to do stuff. Yo, Francis.
What?
That's what the viewers want, man, dude. What's going on down here?
Man, that shit is straight. That's a complete.
No, like baby, right?
Woo-hoo!
Hey, David.
Let me see this bad boy. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
I tried to straighten it out, so
Nah.
do that, you can do that.
It's straight. So we're gonna cut a little bit more so he can push it in more, and that's it. And yeah. You good down there, bro?
Oh, let's let you know. Our YouTube channel, this is the new headquarters.
New headquarters. Well, new garage, not mine, his. There you go, look at that. Got the Mama Lona right there. His Civic. Customer's whip. New location, look at that. New garage. The whip, his whip. My boy's whip right there. Look at that. Woo! Woo! This car needs a lip. Yes, sir.
No, it was getting fucking.
Too far in. No, I'm playing. Woo-hoo! Let me see that. Atta boy. Let me see that. Now we talking. Yeah, it is good.
I need a light. I'm gonna need a. Actually, no, I'm only gonna tap it. Actually, no, I have to weld the whole bottom.
You got this. Come on, bro.
I'm not responsible for the outcomes of this demonstration.
It's Ktuned. It's gonna work beautiful.
Don't even bother.
I'm in motion.
Fucking pussy.
See these boogers.
I mean, don't look at this side.
Where is it at so I can see it from right here? Dun, dun, dun. Yo, get the light away from me. I can't see these boogers.
This side looks good. The top.
Listen.
I was doing it from down here. It's hard.
It'll do.
Let me see it, David. Let me see it on the video.
Nah, you better get your ass down here too, bitch.
Take a picture, David.
Too late. That welding looks OEM, my boy. Alright, can I focus on that? It's progress. It's not bad.
Yo,
Oh wait, do you have to plug in the computer?
it's recording already?
Yeah, it's recording.
That's the least you could do. Come on, plug in the computer.
Where's my key, sir?
Plug in the computer, man. Plug in the computer. Plug in the computer.
Keys first.
Plug it in first. So I'm gonna go out. Aren't the keys inside the car? Right.
Yo, this guy been having a rear disc conversion for like 10 years and still haven't done it. 10 fucking years and he still hasn't done it. He slacks. No wonder we haven't posted a video up in like 5 weeks. Not even, probably like 4 months. David, seriously?
Seriously, what?
Can you come with a key? I just want to get to one of you niggas.
Why would you have given it to one of us?
Got it. Grab it.
I think you're good.
Hold up.
Oh, a little low there, buddy. Have no gas?
That's $10 a week. Premium.
I think it's good, huh?
Right.
Find out.
Still sound like right, but yeah.
Yo, where's my pops at? So, you guys deleted my pops in there? Come on, bro.
What do you say?
The pops, the taco pop, boom, pow. Yo, look at that shit, bro. 2 years later.
No.
Bro, it's fucking hot.
No, not after that.
I'm gonna die. Finally done?
She look good.
Looking tough. Here you go, hold that.
Did I do a good job, Master?
You did a good job.
Did I do a good job, Master?
You get no whippings today. I ain't no whoopings.
Dale ahí un fuá, fuá, fuá. I've heard better.
So this is what a co-star sounds like. It don't sound too crazy. Ugh. Well, I'm gonna go record some flybys and some cinematics out of work. So I'll start recording then.
Be scared. Oh shit, did he just kill him? Pull in there, but go that way, go slow. Oh fuck, whoa. Oh, I got a rat. Oh, it dropped it. Ay, coño, no me mate.
Alright guys, so this is how the car looks. That's how the muffler looks right there. I'm using a gimbal, so I don't know how to maneuver this that much. But yeah, you guys heard it. I would rev it more, but it's not tuned and it's doing a whole bunch of boost cutting. But the Ktuned Muffler came out beautiful. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I don't know if you guys think I should put a resonator on it. Let me know in the comments. But this is the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more. And that's all. I got more videos coming. But see you guys later on the next one. Peace.
Run this shit, I'm lapping, oh yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get hot, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hang, so you know I got that propane.